Get strong.
Hello there, and welcome back. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Lack of trying, just very busy. Lots to get done, but a lot of what we've been working on is not been visible yet. So basically, we've spent quite a bit of time over the last year or so migrating the interface, which caused changes and updates and enhancements to the API functionality, which meant we had to go back and essentially rebuild the iOS and Android apps for Macanta, which we have done, and they were released a couple of days ago. I'm now not sure what day of the week it is today. It was maybe on Friday, just before the weekend. But yeah, so I thought I would just take you through on an iPad quickly what we've done and give you an idea of what's to come. The one thing I will say is I'm going to show you this on an iPad. Obviously, it works on a phone and Android devices as well. And I don't want to set the expectation. We're not going to have all functionality from the browser or desktop on the iPad or phone because it doesn't make sense from a screen size and a functionality perspective. We're not just going to port everything over without giving it some thought. So let me show you what we've done, and then I can give you an idea of what's to come. So if I've done this right, you should now see the iPad interface. Once you download the app, it's going to ask you for your app name or app ID, which is the subdomain of your login. Same login details as you normally use, and let's go and log in. And there you can see it shows me my own record I can go to straight away, but it also shows me my most recent records that I dealt with. I can obviously go in and search here, so let's just go and see what we find. If we search for Martha, there's obviously a lot going on here, so let's go here. I'm just going to pick this contact. We've got no notes on it yet, no tasks on it yet. We can go and have a look at data objects. You can see it lists your different types, the data object types that you have, and this contact doesn't have any, but let's go back to our list. Let's clear this out. So now we can see that contact's been added to the recent. So let's go into record here. Erwin has no notes at the moment, but we'll come back to that. So I can then go down and I can view the contact information across the contact custom tabs. I can also go in, and then I can go in and edit and change any details that I need to and save if I make changes. I can also then go and look at tasks. We can see the history, the same as you do in the desktop or browser version, and then again data object types, and we can go and see what Erwin might have. Let's see if he's got anything here. Fine, he's got a support query, so I can see that. Obviously if there are more, they'll be listed. I can then go in and edit that, and again can jump between the different sections and subsections as they are set up in your structure as you've built it. Make changes, save. You can see the relationships and add other relationships, data object notes, and file attachments are in there. And to a large extent, that's really it. If you've come to the mobile app, then you've already set up Macanta and you understand a lot of that. So you have that there for those details to show. We can send messages and emails straight from the contact here. I'm actually doing this on my daughter's iPad, so I won't start sending emails on her behalf for that. And if we just go in here, you can then see the notes history, tasks, and here should be some more data object types and more details to load. You can see there if there are many, then you get that there. And again with your headings as you have on the desktop, and you can go in, make changes, see relationships, notes, file attachments. We should be able to preview the file. That one's rather large, so let's just go and have a look at this one. So we've got that. So that is pretty much that. So what are we going to add? What are we looking to add here? The first, as you'll see at the moment, the search is contact based, so we'll be adding data object type specific searches in, so that you can find the objects that way, and then some additional dashboard widget functionality that we're working on next as well. But yeah, for the moment, that is what we have in iOS and Android. Any questions about that, please let us know. Any suggestions, as ever, just give us a shout and let us know what you think. So yeah, I hope that is very useful for you, and we'll see you soon. You're strong.